everyone, I'm Chef Margaret, and today I'm gonna show you how to make buttermilk chicken tenders in the TurboBlaze air fryer. The first step is to get the chicken marinating. So I've got buttermilk right here, and I've got my chicken tenders, and then some spices and seasonings. Let's actually get the spices going. So I've got some paprika. It adds beautiful color and flavor to the chicken. We've got salt. Salt is very important when you're marinating. Pepper. We've got onion powder and garlic powder and some dried dill. And so I'm just gonna whisk this first just to get everything nice and incorporated before adding the chicken. And now I'm just gonna add my chicken tenders directly into the marinade. And we are going to marinate the chicken for about 4 hours. If you only have time for like 1 hour, even 30 minutes, still make this recipe, still do it. It's still weeknight friendly. The buttermilk really helps to tenderize the chicken. It also helps give it more flavor. So I'm going to cover the bowl with some plastic wrap that I have right here. And then I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Okay, we're gonna get the air fryer preheating. I'm gonna turn it on, select preheat, press start, and get that going while we bread the chicken. So I have my little breading station set up. I've got some eggs that I've lightly beaten, all-purpose flour, and to that I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika, some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat, and some dried parsley. Just stir that a little bit together, just to incorporate everything. Beautiful. And then I've got some panko breadcrumbs, which I really love to use because they get the chicken tenders really crispy because of the coarser texture than just regular breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper just to season the panko. And I'm just gonna give that a little stir just to incorporate everything. And now we're gonna get breading. So I'm gonna have a wet hand and a dry hand. So I'm gonna take each chicken tender out, dump it in the flour, lightly coat it in the flour, and then I'm gonna shake off any excess, dump it into the egg, and switch back to my wet hand, shake off any excess, and then into the panko, back with my dry hand, and just pat it. You want the panko to adhere pretty nicely to the chicken tenders. And then I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my chicken tenders, and then we're ready to air fry. All right, the air fryer is preheated. I am going to spray these lightly with some oil spray. I'm gonna first just gonna spray the tops. All you need is a light coat. That's one thing I really love about air fryers in general, especially the TurboBlaze. Because it has a DC motor, it really helps to get these chicken tenders super crispy and golden brown in just 12 minutes. In general, don't want to overcrowd the basket. I've got a little bit of space in between each chicken tender, and that's going to help the air circulate around the chicken tenders so they get crispy throughout. And now I'm gonna spray the other side with oil spray again, and they go in at 400 degrees for 12 minutes, and I'm gonna flip them halfway so they get golden brown on both sides. All right, we've got air fry, 400, 12 minutes, and start. All right, the chicken tenders are done. They look really nice, golden brown and crispy. You can still hear them. They're very kid-friendly too. If your kid doesn't like spiciness, you can just omit the cayenne pepper, or if they're not big on spices, just keep it simple with salt and pepper. All right, the chicken tenders are plated up. Can you hear how crispy they sound? You can serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. My favorite is spicy barbecue sauce, so that's what I have right here. I also have some freshly chopped parsley, just for a little extra color and garnish. And then, yeah, I'm gonna dig in. They're still really hot, so we'll see if they burn my mouth. They are very hot, but they're really good. And the spicy barbecue sauce is, I think, the perfect dipping sauce for the chicken tenders. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video and give this one a try. Let me know in the comments what other type of recipes you guys want to see. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon, hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.